Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to KSP Academy. In the previous videos, I was already discussed regarding the GATE examination pattern. After the second video, I discussed what are the materials I need to follow to crack the GATE examinations. In this video, I should give the explanation for to crack 2020 online platform of GATE examination, underline online platform of GATE examination. How you should prepare for long-term people, short-term people, very short-term people. I'll guide you. From my experiencing of 7 years, I should guide you some platforms how you should crack examination. This I'm trying to explore for you. Then you can follow. You may get very good rank. If you follow conditions, definitely will success. I hope. So what I should do that. So these guidance for even first year student, they can start to crack GATE exam. Second year student, they can write. So they have to follow. Third year student, final year student. This is applicable for all this criteria of student. For this year, people are getting an opportunity. You can third year student they can write, and the fourth year student they can write. One more interesting thing: the GATE score is validity for 3 years. It's very good opportunity for third year students. They can test in third year. If they miss good score, they can try in the final year with very best score. It's very good opportunity for this current third year students. So second year students very advanced. You have to prepare very advanced. You can start in third year. You can one more time third final year. Definitely a very fresh student final year will get in the PSUs. It's very good career for you. I hope I'll clear. Then I'll go for that. What you should do preparation starters. The preparation startup. What is the material I should start? So just now in the previous video I wrote what are the textbooks. What are things I should follow. Once I should recall you. Number one, the material we have to follow is your college running notes. Your college running notes. Those are maintaining running notes for college from first year to final year. That will helpful you in the GATE examination. I am clearly telling. Next, coaching materials. Coaching running notes. Some people are going to coaching. Those people are taking the coaching final year students. You should be ready with your coaching notes. Those are not taken, those are very first year, second year. Please go and take your seniors running notes. I'm telling running notes. Collect the running notes. Still, those who don't know that you are seniors also, please go and take institutes up here, ASAD, MADESY, the downside of institutions, Xerox centers, they will sell you that soft copies or hard copies. You can collect it ready with you. The third thing is subject-wise material. Subject-wise material. This also same AS by MADESY. Both institutes, those are not clear this, please watch previous video. I was given all list of the textbooks. So all subject wise materials, how to keep it with you. Next, fourth platform, previous Genco Transco. Previous Genco Transco material, keep it with you. Then after that, previous IES bits. Previous IES bits. Now the people are telling ESE Engineering Service Examination, previous IES bits books. Next, sixth one, previous GATE books. Previous GATE book. This is a list of books, very important. Parallelly followed by reference books. I told you. Mentions PS Bimra. Power systems, I am suggesting CL Vatva. Some other textbooks will be there. I am not telling you should not open. This is some standardizing textbook for GATE. Third thing is electrical machines by electronics AK Sahani. Power electronics, which you can buy PS Bimra. Some it is a different authors textbooks, different subjects. We have to list books. This books is ready. So after keeping these books, what you should start? Even taking coaching student or regular coaching going student or regular college going student, those are long term. This is mandatory for you. First of all, what you have to do means right now we are thinking it's September, October, November, December, January, February. We have 6 months of span. February not your hands, only 5 months. Example. Some people they may start December, some people they may start November, October, some people they may start very early after the February exam will over. Next March they will start. They will get at least 10 to 11 months of examinations. The time duration. So first thing, you have to count your days. You have to count your days. It may be 90 days or 120 days or 300 days, 200 days. Count the days. Example, let us take 3 months of exams. Example, there are 100 days is the example I am telling. For a 3 months before we started, example I am taking 100 days. How many number of days? Please divide the days into different subjects. I think list of subjects, if it is very clear, for triple is different, mechanical different, all different engineering people will be different. Please divide the subjects into the different days. Example, for a triple I am telling, you can make mathematics is there. Mathematics there are 10 days. If it is control system, there are 10 days. Power system, there are 10 days. Am I clear? It's aptitude, this is 10 days. Example, I am telling machines is 10 days. Power system is 10 days. After electrical measurements 10 days. Like this, you have to divide the days. It may days 10 will get, it may 5 will get, it may be 20 days will get, some will get 25 days per one subject. So you have to fix the days, 10 days or 20 days. Don't think that, sir, all will be get 10 days. No. If you are very master in mathematics, only 2 days is enough. Master in power systems. So this days, it's not fixed to all, it will vary from person to person. Am I clear it is? So first of all, fix the days. Case 1 is fixing the days. Fix the time duration. Again, it's not fixing the days. So days is very clear. After this, fix the days to each subject. Fix days to each subject. Each subject. Have a clear it is? Next, which subject you want to start? Options is yours only. As I'm clear? So my personal request is that from my side I'm telling, please start a very easy subject. Those are very first to the GATE exam. Why I'm telling means, if it is example, your networks is very good. From engineering for 2-3 years, very good in the networks, very good in the control system, which is very best. Start that is very first time. Mathematics is good, start with mathematics. Because if you start directly in the signal systems of triple student, EMF of first time, it's may complex. Sometimes you are getting a very irritation, sir, I don't want GATE examination. It's actually leave. Please take in a positive fashion. I should tell I'm experiencing, I'm telling, please take very easy subject. Example, you can take, for my convenient I'm taking. Third case, example you can take control system. Very first time I'm telling. So control system, if you take first subject, how much duration is given? 10 days you are given. Example you can take, if you are given 10 days. This 10 days should divide in this pattern. One day, how much you did, what you did. If you're not that much good, if you want to directly, some experienced expert will tell you 1 day for this, 1 day for this, 1 day, they'll give you like this. The very first time, no problem. Start learning one by one. Automatic time consumption will lose. Very first time. So second time, third time to the GATE exam, we can easily analyze how much time it will take each book. Because 10 to 20 times we are already read the textbooks, we can understand how much time will take for each and everything. It's very clear. So starting preparation, once you take in the control system, the thing is very clear. First open your college running notes. Here first you have to open the college running notes. If you have a college running notes, whatever faculty will read, will teach control system, the signal flow diagrams, transient analysis. Then after that, am I clear? It's you have to keep on turning root locus. Am I clear? Nyquist plot, Nicholas chart, state space analysis, some X, some Y, mathematical model, all these things. Once open, sufficient thing. Please read out all these things. Some synopsis will do. One more interesting thing, you have to maintain when you're preparing a good spiral books, not regular spiral books. Spiral books I'm suggesting means anything interesting things will come, please write and keep it with you. File or spiral books is very mandatory. So college running notes. The key points, write it down. Complete key points, you write it down chapter wise. You can write down. After this, coaching running notes. So coaching running notes is more better to college running notes. Just I'm telling comparing. Some extra points coaching people will cover with respect to GATE point of view. But college teaching is not with respect to GATE point of view. With respect to fundamental point of view will teach. GATE means complete exam point of view. So next write all running notes points in your book. Then read. It's very good. And after that, subject wise material. I think you have ACE material of control system, material of control system book. We can read the theory book, then write fundamental points in your book chapter wise. Example I should say chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Example I am doing continuously. Chapter 1, the key points you are writing from your college book, college running notes. Second thing, coaching running books. Some points you common, leave it out. Extra point you can copy. Next, subject wise material, ACE Academy. Points will be repeat. Oh, those are new points you can write down. So automatically extra points you got. It's chapter 1. After this, subject is material over. Turning the pages of after subject is material of ACE Academy or Made Easy, the questions will be there. MCQs, some theory questions. Start practicing. Only fundamental you can practice. Previous gate bits you should not practice at that particular time. Only fundamental questions, those are known by the gathering of the material of college running notes and coaching running notes, subjects and material. If you know, you can do it. Previous gate, DRDO, DRDL, IES exam, running theory notes, theory questions, we cannot that much of standards. So this even if you know, you can practice it. I don't stop it. After this, you can enter into that previous Genco Transco Discom bits. Previous RRB JE, DRDO, DRDL, SSC JE, previous Genco Transco bits, which are very simple bits. It means by reading of these three theory books, we can easily crack these questions. Previous Genco Transco bits. It means when you're practicing, you are getting answers very easy way. Automatically, you are getting feeling easy. So I should do it. You'll get some confident levels. Some new, some extra bits you can capture. Those are related to some points, key points, right in the chapter 1. Some extra key point related to chapter 1. After this, you can go for previous IES bits. Those are having IES bits. 1 mark question you can solve IES bits. And after, if possible, 2 mark questions you can do it. Those are not lengthy questions. So mostly all are 1 mark questions on IES. All 1 mark question bits you can do it. So this from this you can get some confident level. I can do it questions. After this, you have to start working on previous gate bits from previous gate book. From previous gate book, then followed by your subject wise material. In subject wise material, the back side they will write previous gate bits. Some they will skip. That will available in the previous gate book. Previous gate book, all bits will cover in chapter wise. We can do here, we can do here. 2 times you will get bits. Some missing bits it's available. This previous gate bits, we can do it in ACE Academy as well as Made Easy. Automatically, some questions they are missing. Some questions answer may be different. Some question methods may be different. You can get a more number of methods. So after this previous gate bits, you can do it. Which means while doing this, level 1 level, you are updating your knowledge, fundamental 1 by 1, you can easily get the previous bits. Once you get confident on previous bits, definitely in the correct platform. Still you are unable to do the previous gate bits. Once again, the same procedure you can follow. Am I clear, right? N number of doubts will come. Please, if you have a doubt with a conceptual way, please watch YouTube videos. Nothing is wrong. Please watch YouTube videos for a fundamental. The theory bits, questions no one will discuss. Only fundamental concepts will discuss. Conceptually, you can watch the videos. If you have a doubt, please discuss with the friends. Those are having, make a group in the WhatsApp or contact the professors. Those are have a free time. We can clear the doubts. We can write, maintain separate book. It's a doubt section, control system. Please write it down. Nothing is wrong. I am telling personally, I am experiencing. Doubts you can separate book. You can write doubts. You can write. Discuss your friends. Still not clear? One more professor. Still not clear? One more professor. Keep on. You can clear up. So like this you can prepare. Clear, right? Once everything is clear, in between also the previous Genco Transco bits you are solving here, you can follow this also. The reference textbook backside bits, which will be after this Genco Transco, you can read this. Clear? After previous bits you can solve, then you get some confidence. It may be useful to you. Previous IES bits, it may be useful to previous gate bits of 1 mark. This is a platform base you have to prepare your things. Automatically you are going to group level. After this, the theory things if you done by chapter wise, we have to print in a separate book. This much will come for even control system only. Chapter at least 10 papers will come each one. So that is very, very fundamental. It means you are reading all these things. You gathered all the points, different institutes, different examinations. Okay, till movie is not clear. Still some now your very very important platform. After this thing, your control system one subject is over, you have to enter into that online exams. Now you have to go to GACE Academy. GACE Academy provide online exams. So you have to write online exam of control system of GACE Academy. Chapter wise is there. Level 1, level 2, level 3. You can write online exams. After online exam is writing, you know how much percent you are having. You can understand negative marking importance, how to they are attempting, how they are writing answers. You can guess your knowledge. Something you may get negative marking very first time. Don't underestimate yourself. Start practicing. Next time level 2 examination you will get some updating. This is the things. After writing examinations, there are 30 questions. Only 10 questions you know. 20 questions very new for you. After clicking submitting over, answers will open your sense. The 20 questions, write in chapter wise which question belongs to which chapter. Or you can maintain separate book for online examinations. Write the bits. That means useful to level 2 exam, that means to level 3 exam. So like online exams, you have to write it down. Same thing you can write made easy, some X, some Y, automatically you are more and more updating for single subject. This much of things will available. This much of knowledge you can get, you can understand. Next, one more very interesting point here, online examination, calculator management, very very dangerous bit thing I should discuss. Calculator. The calculator, it is not a manual, it is the software which I provide soft calculator in that online platform. That is not easy as like a manual calculator. So please practice. When you are practicing here, the questions are 1 mark, 2 marks. Please use a soft calculator. Download the app, your calculator in your mobile phone. Start practicing this. Or else you can download your laptop app. You download scientific calculator, start working. Then you can understand. Very first time doing the calculator options in that, it is not available because modes, equation solving, and the direct formulas, it is not available in the soft calculator. We cannot do because I'm experiencing. I'm telling. So this here manual to software calculator, it will be some different. You need to operate with the mouse. It is very first time very tough. It is not touchpad in that. How to operating mouse, it's some difficult. So practice online calculator very very important because the time management divide this year. I think very clear. Like this, you have to start practicing. You get some experiencing. Like this, subject wise, you have to do till end of your things. You get a question. So this much thing will done in 10 days. Something you may leave. Slowly practice. Some questions you practice. Something is knowledge. Fix 10 days. Fix your timetable, time limits. How much is possible, that much you can do it. Very first time, second year student, third year student, final year student means you have to take very 2 months, 3 months having. Please do only some subject you should fix. Mathematics plus aptitude plus some I told you only 2-3 core subjects you can prepare. Don't think all prepare means nothing you understood. This pattern will follow at least 2, 3, 4 subjects. You can attempt 100%, definitely you will get 40 to 50 marks. I am guarantee. As I am very clear. It's a fundamental platform. After this, some last, it is not least topic. This is very important for every student. What are the precautions in your take when you are preparing these exams? Number 1, timetable. Please prepare your timetable. When we should wake up, when we should sleep. Morning 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, 10 o'clock, it doesn't matter. How many hours you read does not matter for 24/7. Some people they will read 24 hours, they will prepare 20 hours, 4 hours they will rest. Sometimes they will not even qualify also. Some people 24 hours, they will read only 10 hours, they will get a good rank. It means how much time you are spending practically for intellectual way for GATE exam is important. I am very clear. So sleep well, prepare well. Okay, 10 hours or 12 hours or 8 hours per day, particularly prepare. Timetable is very important. Time management, it should fix your things. Next, for this calculator is mandatory. With this only you can operate every time. Let's compare to this. Please avoid the friends. It means those who should be interact with your friends, those are related to your background with the GATE platform up to some days or 6 months or 1 year, you can put it out. Okay, try to avoid the social networks. I think you are having Facebook and WhatsApp chatting. Some things you should avoid, then only you will get more time. So this is the fundamental things you should leave then you satisfy, you get good rank in GATE examination. After this, everything you can enjoy, because you are going to get 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs package per year. It means more than 2-3 lakhs per month. Then you can enjoy, then you can collect your friends, you can enjoy the things. The concept is very clear. Before entering into such a world, you should be compress your things, concentrate only GATE 2021. I think very clear. These are the things I should be very clear. Those are any doubt, please make a comment on that in comment box. Through that KSP Academy, I'll update your things. Thanks for watching. Keep continue this. For all these things, we can enjoy the things. I hope very clear. Thanks for watching. For more videos regarding GATE, anything else, please make a comment on box. I'll make one video to collecting of your points. Keep continue.